The DJI Mini 5 Pro has finally emerged from the shadows. After weeks of speculation, leaks, and cryptic teasers, we are now getting our clearest look yet at DJI's newest ultralight drone. Thanks to an early unboxing video from India and retail listings in Europe, the fog is lifting around this long-awaited release. What we now know paints a very exciting picture. The Mini 5 Pro appears set to redefine what an ultralight drone can offer, packing in endurance, imaging, and smart technology at a price that keeps DJI competitive in the mid-tier space. Let's break down everything revealed so far, from pricing and packaging to new features, global release timelines, and even DJI's surprise entry into the 360-degree drone space. Pricing and packages. Open retail leaks have given us concrete numbers. The base package with their CN3 controller will retail for €819. If you prefer the Fly More combo with our CN3, which typically includes extra batteries and accessories, that will be €1,029. At the top tier, the Fly More combo with DJI's premium RC2 controller, which has a built-in display, will come in at €1,159. For what this drone promises to deliver, these prices are surprisingly competitive. DJI is positioning the Mini 5 Pro as an affordable yet powerful upgrade in the Mini line, keeping it attractive for both enthusiasts and creators who want pro-level features without entering the higher weight and cost category of the Aero Mavic series. First hands-on and unboxing. Biggest reveal so far came from an Indian YouTube channel, which managed to secure the first full unboxing and flight test. This was no stage studio demo, it was shot on the busy streets of New Delhi, giving us an authentic glimpse at how the Mini 5 Pro looks and performs in real life. The video highlighted the packaging, a design that feels premium and minimal as we've come to expect from DJI. The drone itself powered on smoothly, linked easily to the controller, and was even compared side by side with the Mini 4 Pro. Seeing both drones together emphasized DJI's design refinements, as well as the incremental yet meaningful hardware upgrades. But the real showstopper was the first flight. Despite being surrounded by the chaos of city life, the Mini 5 Pro hovered steadily and captured clean, stable footage, sending a wave of excitement through the drone community. Release date speculation. Big question on everyone's mind is when the Mini 5 Pro will officially launch. Current leaks suggest two possible dates, September 16th or September 18th. The latter feels more likely, as it coincides with a Thursday, which has long been DJI's preferred day for major product launches. Adding fuel to the fire, DJI's regional partner DJI teased an event on September 17th, promising pricing aligned with its predecessor, exclusive early access promotions, and bold claims of a new generation in technology. The timing of these teasers strongly suggests a global launch window between September 16th and September 18th, 2025. Design highlights and new features. From the teaser images and unboxing leaks, we can already spot several exciting details. One of the standout changes is the introduction of twist-on-off propellers. These make attaching and removing props much faster compared to the screw-in style used previously. Spare props will reportedly cost around $19, while a full quick-release propeller guard kit will be available for about $69. Another detail tucked away on the bottom of the drone is a printed noise rating of 81 decibels. This is important because it ensures compliance with European Union drone regulations. However, early testers suggest the Mini 5 Pro might actually run quieter than that number suggests, meaning DJI may have given itself a safe margin. The drone's weight is another crucial point. The retail box proudly shows the seal label and confirms the aircraft still stays under the 249 grams limit. This is a huge win for casual pilots, especially in the United States, because it means you can fly the Mini 5 Pro without registering it with the FAA. Battery life and endurance. Perhaps the most exciting reveal is the promise of extended flight time. The box art itself calls out 52 minutes by 3, which seems to confirm that each battery can deliver up to 52 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. In the Fly More combo, 3 batteries are included. That means a pilot could theoretically stay in the air for more than 2.5 hours before needing to recharge. This endurance is unprecedented in the Mini lineup and represents a major step forward for travelers, vloggers, and creators who need longer sessions without constantly swapping batteries. Global availability and the US market. Mini 5 Pro has already been registered with the US Federal Communications Commission, which is the clearest sign yet that DJI intends a full American release. But availability could be complicated. Due to customs enforcement under the Forced Labor Prevention Act, US retailers like Best Buy and B&H are experiencing stock shortages on some DJI products. This could mean that while the Mini 5 Pro launches globally in mid-September, US buyers may face limited availability at first. DJI has publicly stated that it has no plans to withdraw from the American market, so an official release is assured. It is simply a question of how quickly supply chains can resolve these regulatory hurdles. If all goes smoothly, US customers should be able to buy the Mini 5 Pro around the same time as the global launch. The DJI C2 controller. Another highlight is DJI's decision to bundle the Mini 5 Pro with their C2 controller in certain packages. This controller comes with a built-in screen, meaning you no longer need to attach your smartphone to fly. For many pilots, this is a huge convenience upgrade. It keeps your phone free for other tasks and delivers a more seamless flying experience. Their C2 has already received positive reviews with other DJI drones for its bright display, smooth controls, and reliable connection. Including it as an option in the Mini 5 Pro lineup shows DJI's commitment to delivering a pro-level experience even in its ultralight category. The DJI 360 drone surprises if the Mini 5 Pro wasn't enough to get the community buzzing. Leaked photos of an entirely new DJI product surface, the DJI 360 drone. This prototype, spotted in wilderness testing, suggests that DJI is preparing to step directly into the 360-degree aerial capture market, a space currently dominated by Insta360. The leaked images show a sleek body fitted with DJI's multi-vision obstacle avoidance system, along with rumors of LAR integration borrowed from DJI's enterprise-grade 3S line. The camera design is especially intriguing. Unlike Insta360's fixed fisheye setup, DJI's prototype appears to use a rotating gimbal-mounted panoramic lens. This could allow for more flexible navigation and vertical FPV-style shots, while also delivering stunning panoramic footage. Reports suggest the camera could house a 1-inch sensor, which would dramatically improve low-light performance compared to current 360 drone options. Pricing rumors place the DJI 360 drone in direct competition with Insta360's upcoming anti-gravity A1. The standard bundle may fall between $1,199 and $1,299, with a Fly More combo adding batteries and accessories for around $1,399. A Pro Kit targeting creators could range from $1,400 to $1,599, while enterprise packages with SDK support might push closer to $1,899. What makes this especially exciting is the timing. The prototype looks nearly production-ready, and launch is expected in late 2025 or early 2026. DJI seems determined to beat Insta360 to the punch, bringing high-end 360 capture to its already dominant drone ecosystem. Why the Mini 5 Pro matters. Every iteration of DJI's Mini series has raised the bar, but the Mini 5 Pro feels like a particularly meaningful leap. It combines the portability and sub-250 grams freedom that makes the Mini line so appealing, with upgrades in flight endurance, controller convenience, and regulatory compliance. For travelers, vloggers, and creators who want serious aerial footage without lugging around a larger drone, the Mini 5 Pro could be the perfect fit. At the same time, DJI's move into the 360 space shows that the company isn't content to simply iterate. It's looking to expand the boundaries of consumer aerial photography altogether. The combination of these two products signals a very exciting future for drone enthusiasts. Conclusion: the DJI Mini 5 Pro is more than just another upgrade in the Mini lineup. It represents a major refinement of what ultralight drones can deliver. From its sleek new design and whisper-quiet operation to its extended 52-minute batteries and Pro-level or C2 controller, this drone has the potential to become the new benchmark for its class. With pricing set to remain accessible, global release expected in mid-September 2025, and regulatory clearance in the United States already confirmed, the countdown is officially on. Whether you are a hobbyist looking to fly without FAA registration, a content creator chasing cinematic shots, or a traveler who wants reliable aerial photography on the go, the Mini 5 Pro looks ready to deliver. And if the leaks of the DJI 360 drone prove true, DJI is preparing not just to defend its dominance but to expand it into entirely new creative frontiers. By late 2025 and into 2026, we could be witnessing one of the most exciting chapters yet in aerial imaging. The skies are about to get more interesting, and DJI is once again leading the charge.